Hello, my dear viewers. My today's topic is what is good English? Usually, we mistake what is good English. It is otherwise called standard English. It follows certain principles of spelling, pronunciation, grammar, and usage of words. These are the four areas we make mistakes usually. Now, we can't pronounce as we wish, as we like. We can't write as we like. And we can't spell as we like. For instance, coming to pronunciation and spelling. S-U-B-T-L-E is not subtle. B is silent. It is subtle. I repeat, S-U-B-T-L-E is subtle. Coming to the next example. E-W words are pronounced as grew, drew, through, not grew, drew, through. U-A-R-Y ending words. It's not January, February, it's wrong. January, February. Gigantic, gigantic, not gigantic. The last example of pronunciation and spelling is D-R-A-U-G-H-T. It is not drought, it is draft. There is F. G-H is pronounced as F, draft. It's the quantity we take once in our mouth while drinking. That is called draft. So these are the examples to give you as far as pronunciation and spelling are concerned. Coming to speaking and writing. Can you think of a synonym of I'm sorry? It is I'm afraid. I'm afraid I can't take you to Bangalore, we say. Sometimes we replace I'm sorry in the place of I'm afraid and vice versa. What is the difference between I am going to school and I am going to the school? Can you think of this difference? In grammar, the is used for the secondary purpose. That is, I am going to school, that means as a student. I am going to the school, I am not a student, I may be a guardian or parent. I am a teacher and a musician is wrong. When we refer to one person, we don't use the article, indefinite article a twice. I am a teacher and musician. Coming to the idiom to be born, which is wrongly used by us. I am born or I have born is wrong. I was born is the correct expression. What about I sat on or in a chair? Which is correct? On or in? How to decide it? If the chair has arms, we use I sat in the chair. An armless chair, if you want to refer to, we use on the chair. I sat on the chair. Another sentence in which there is a mistake. I am studying English since 2020. This is a wrong expression grammatically because since is used in a perfect tense, like I have been studying English since 2020. The last example is he is my far cousin brother. There are two mistakes. Can you find out? I repeat, he is my far cousin brother. We don't use the word far to refer to relationships. We use the word distant. He is my distant cousin brother is wrong. We use only cousin. So, he is my distant cousin is the right sentence. I hope this video has enhanced your knowledge of English language and awaiting your feedback. I want to end this session with a question. What do you mean by goodbye? I'll give you a hint. It is a sentence, and goodbye is a contraction or short form of that sentence. If you want the answer, you watch my forthcoming video. I repeat, goodbye is the short form or contraction of a sentence. Think about this and let me know in the comment box. Bye.